Trust me, your washing machine is dirtier than you think. But you might say, but James, the washing machine gets cleaned every time you wash your clothes, right? Wrong. We are constantly throwing little bits of food and fibers and all kinds of other crap in there. Then we add hot water and detergent to the mix. What we end up with is a mess of gunk and hard water residue. That's one filthy washer over time. We want a happy washing machine. Lucky for you, making that happen is really easy. Grab an old toothbrush, a rag, baking soda, and white vinegar. Dip that rag in some vinegar and wipe the inside and the seals down. Throw a cup or two of vinegar in your detergent dispenser and set your machine to sanitize, or its hottest setting. When that's done, drop a third of a cup of baking soda into the drum and run it on hot again. This will knock out any odor and any soap scum that's caught up in that washer. Nice and easy. You can and should do this about once a month to ensure everything is staying squeaky clean. Thank you for watching this video. Check out the link in the description for the full instructions on cleaning your washer. And see you in the next video where we tackle those pesky driveway cracks. See you then.